In the world today, there are too many places that have been experiencing a water shortage. Engineers for years have been trying to figure out a solution to the water shortage epidemic. Africa, the Middle East, and many other places all over the world have been experiencing problems with water shortages, even places in America. The water that these people do have access to is too soiled for consumption. Today, 1 out of every 6 people is living without access to clean water. Over the years, many attempts at getting access to clean water have been made. Some of the more successful creations have been pH balancing methods, filters such as the water filters on top of containers, and irrigation systems. For those who have access to water that isn't extremely dirty, water filters are a very common form of purification. Since tap water sometimes contains contaminants that are not good for the human body, water filters appear on sinks, in water bottles, and in containers. The water filters are the simple machines on top of the water containers that filter out the metals that contaminate the human body, but typically leave the good metals in, such as potassium, magnesium, and other minerals. Water filters are not only used for drinking water, but for bathing and other sanitary purposes.
One method of water purification is rather simple. Chemical engineers have figured out that by measuring the pH of water with something such as pH paper, a person can then add a harmless chemical to neutralize the water and make it healthy to drink. The water must be boiled first using a water distiller, which would collect the water vapor and remove the majority of contaminants in it. If the remaining solution is too acidic, sodium bicarbonate can be added to the water, and if it is too basic, vitamin C can be added. pH of water can oftentimes be affected by dirt and other sediments, aside from basic acidity or alkalinity. Water tablets are widely used, such as for the military, and offer clean drinking water efficiently by being both quick and easy to utilize. By adding a water tablet to a raw sample of water, contaminants, disease, bacteria, dirt, and more are killed and can be removed from the water, leaving it clean and at a healthily balanced pH level. Even campers can pack this simple invention for clean water.
Organizations that work in Africa are constantly fundraising to provide ways for fresh water to be transported to people in need. Connection to fresh water wells is very important, and engineers have come up with many irrigation techniques to help the cause. Engineers have tried to divert the flow of water from where it is plentiful to where it is scarce, but this technique is proven to only provide short-term relief to cities. The current goal of engineers is to create solutions that will be sustainable in the long run. One technique that has been employed in Benin, a small country in West Africa, is called drip irrigation. For this project, engineers installed solar-powered drip irrigation systems in an attempt to create a more economically feasible project. Drip irrigation is an irrigation method that saves the valuable water that people have access to by allowing it to drip slowly onto soil through a network of valves, pipes, tubing, and emitters. This technology allows better water resource management and lessens the impact of the shortage of water.
It is the job of an engineer to solve this crisis. While there are many effective methods of attaining clean water, there are still so many areas that are impacted by their lack of clean drinking water. As more innovative thinkers are on the rise, this crisis is slowly but surely on the road to being solved.